Hello, I'm Lisa Peng, the owner of Roadnavier. We have been selling the Android screen upgrade for the Acura MDX for over 5 years now. During these years, there has been one issue that we were never completely satisfied with. For 2010 to 2013, Acura MDX, the factory doesn't use an OEM multi-angle backup camera, and the video signal is transmitted through an RGB interface. To be honest, the factory backup camera works very well. The image quality is good. It's very extremely stable, and many owners prefer to keep their original camera instead of replacing with a aftermarket one. Of course, some customers are happy to install a new aftermarket rear camera, and that's always been an option. But after talking with many MDX owners over the years, we realized that something important. A lot of people simply want to preserve the original of their vehicle. That's why we decided it's finally time to develop an OEM backup camera retention adapter especially for the 2010 to 2013 Acura MDX. This prototype was designed based on information shared by Acura Audio Garage combined with our own engineering work. The adapter allows the original RGB camera's signal to be displayed directly on our Android screen. Most important, we have integrated built-in wattage regulator into the adapter. Instead of sending true wattage direct to the factory camera, that adapter automatically converts it to 5 volts, protecting the OEM camera from damage. This means there's no need for additional voltage converter, making the installation much cleaner and much reliable. Let me show you the hand-built prototype. Is this one? This is the adapter. This is the rear view input, and there is an extra wire for you. So we are currently looking for several 2010 to 2013 Acura MDX owner to help us to test it. If your vehicle has the factory multi-angle backup camera and you like to keep using it with our Android screen, we'd love to hear from you. Please send us your message, and your feedback will help us make this adapter perfect to the entire MDX community. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.